What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really quick get ready with me. I'm going to be installing the wig that I styled and refreshed on my last vlog. This video is going to be really quick, guys. I am so sorry that I filmed on time lapse. I would never do this again because it was way too quick for you guys to see anything that I'm doing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.
Choose your fighter.
Lightning inspired. Fight.
Choose your fighter.
Lightning inspired. Fight.
This is my friend, one of my best friends, guys. This is Bree. She was on one of my vlogs.
Hi, y'all.
We're about to go eat at a rooftop taco place. But yeah, this the finished look, y'all. This is how the wig is looking. This is how the face is looking. It's giving very much skin. Giving very much, you know, red lip. Giving very much Christmas time.
Yes.
And this is the outfit. It's a little dress from Fashion Nova. And I got on some thigh highs. Excuse the mess, but yeah. So that's the end of this video, guys. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more episodes of Vlogmas. See you guys in my next one.